NVIDIA Crypto Prediction. This is a stock-based token and shows healthy price movement. In the long term, it has the potential to rise to $1,000. From a fundamental perspective, it appears quite strong, so the price is expected to increase gradually. However, along the way, corrections are inevitable. If the price shows signs of weakening, indicated by consolidation near its peak with sideways movement, it is predicted to correct or decline to around $200, and after that, it has the potential to rise again and continue its upward movement toward $1,000. For risk management, it is recommended to use two approaches: first, for investment, and second, as a safeguard when the price declines. Based on historical patterns, when it rises, the price difference is usually not too large, for example, from $193 up to a maximum of $212.